Hi. Do you have a ball? Where's the ball? Put down the ball. Oh, there it is. Where'd it go? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Nicco. Give me the ball. Come here. Okay. This is Nicco. Nicco, step back. This is Madison. Hi, big girl. The big girl. There's Nicco. You pretty boy. You pretty boy. Thank you. Here, give me the ball. There's no Princey in the back. That's his girlfriend now. Oh, they love each other. Easy, Prince, easy. Good boy. Mind your manners. Hi. You're a big girl. You make Prince look tiny. Hello. Drop the ball, silly. Give it. Madison. Madison, can I see your pretty face? Okay, Nicco. You're a goof. You're a goof. Drop it. Drop it. Nicco, drop the ball. In my lap? Can you put it in my lap? Thank you. Nope. You drop it and then you take it back. There. Where is it? Still in your mouth. You're silly. Madison, come here and get in the picture. Okay, put it on my lap. Put it on my lap. Thank you. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Nope, you just can't let it go. Maddie, let me see your pretty face. Come here. Oh, you're jealous. Let me see your pretty face. You're such a good girl. Princey! Go to the other side. Oops. Hello. You gonna leave it now? Drop it. Drop it. I only play when you drop. Drop it. Thank you. Thank you. Leave it. Leave. You just can't let it go. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Nope. Hey. Hi, Prince. What do you think of all this? What do you think of all this, boy? I think you're thirsty. Drink the other side. Go to the other side of the water. Look, there she is. That's a pretty picture. Hi, Madison. Hi. Hi. Is that your bone? Hey, Princey. Okay, that's enough for now. Princey. Pretty boy. Princer. Oh, hello.